Conquer English. Inverted Mixed Conditional Sentences Unveiled. Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to plunge into the captivating world of mixed conditional sentences with inversion. It might sound a bit challenging, but trust me, by the end of this video, you will not only understand but also master this concept. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Before we discuss inverted mixed conditionals, it's crucial to understand what mixed conditionals are. These are special kinds of sentences that combine two different types of conditionals, usually the second and third conditionals. They're used to express hypothetical situations and their potential or actual results. Here's an example. If I had studied harder, I wouldn't be failing this class. Here, the if clause is in the third conditional, a hypothetical past, while the main clause is in the second conditional, present unreal consequence. This is a mixed conditional sentence. But what if we wanted to put a twist on it? In English, inversion is a powerful tool to make your sentences sound more formal or dramatic. Instead of starting with the subject, we begin with the auxiliary verb or modal verb. Let's take a look at an example. Were I a rich man, I would travel the world. In this sentence, were I a rich man is an inverted form of if I were a rich man. It's a simple example of inversion in a conditional sentence. But how does it work with mixed conditionals? The structure of inverted mixed conditional sentences is a bit different from our usual way of structuring sentences. The if is dropped, and we start with the auxiliary or modal verb. Here's the structure. Had plus subject plus past participle, subject plus would, could, might plus base verb. Let's use this structure with our previous example. Had I studied harder, I wouldn't be failing this class. Remember, only if clauses can be inverted in conditional sentences. The best way to solidify a new concept is through practice. So, let's try a few practice exercises. I'll provide the regular conditional sentence, and your task is to invert it. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. 1. If he had listened to me, he wouldn't be in trouble now. 2. If she had accepted that job, she would be happier now. Now, let's check the answers. 1. Had he listened to me, he wouldn't be in trouble now. 2. Had she accepted that job, she would be happier now. And that wraps up our deep dive into the world of inverted mixed conditional sentences. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these structures. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these complex sentences with ease. I hope you found this video useful, and as always, keep learning and keep growing. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the ride. Until our next video, bye for now.